Nessa Sunshine here, and today I want to wish you a happy new year. We are getting into this eye look. It is with none other than the Sultry palette. So if you want to get this eye look, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the tutorial.
To begin, we'll start with a shadow twig and a blending brush. This is the Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease Brush. Place it in the crease, above the crease area, and blend in swiper motions. Blend back and forth, blend on the outer corner as well, sort of out to the wing area, and blend until that you feel that your blending is satisfactory and complete, and do that to the other side. Shadow number 2, Fresh. That is the name of the shade. And what we'll do is use the same blending brush and just place it all over the mobile eyelid and blend it all over so that it sort of brightens up the eyelid for that crease. And that's pretty much it for the eyeshadow. So easy. You guys can do this in your sleep. After we've done that, we're going to take liner. This is the Nabla Serial Liner, and I'm just going to make a wing. Go ahead, do your wing, and place that wing on the other side. Clean up if necessary. And these are the Amber Lashes from Lashes Everlasting. Put your face makeup on and pause the video if you need to. And then come back and we'll do the lower lash line together with that shadow twig. And this is the Nabla Dab and Smudge Brush. And I'm blending that to the lower lash line. Adding Thrive Mascara, some Thrive Lip Liner in Gizlon, and the Sunscape Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss. And that completes the look.
Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you like this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram at nessachicas. I will see you guys later. Bye! Bye now.